Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Blessed Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, A Thin Line. The artist is October London. The song is Kill Shot, and the choreography is JERMAINE Matthews. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
She's a woman with a gun, an assassin with the aim to kill. She's got it loaded with one in the chamber, and engraved on the side it says peace be still. And that's what she's beautiful, but not your average man, she's unusual. This woman is a professional. She's got sleep with one eye open. Don't you dare turn your back. She's a real straight shooter, yeah, she got it like that. She's a killer, and that's a fact. Whoa. She sent the kill shot through my heart. Oh, yeah, she's a cutie with no heart of blood. She's a stone cold killer in designer clothes. She sent the kill shot through my heart. She like the sea queen with no trace of blood. Oh, I guess that's what you get for falling in love. Oh, she got me in the sight. Yeah, the beam is red and bright. I look down at my chest like, what's the deal? I can smell her sweet perfume. Oh, I know she's somewhere in the room. Oh, baby, can we talk? She says no. I said please. She said I'm on the count of three. She's beautiful, but not your average man. She's unusual. This woman is a professional. She's got me into eyes. Sleep with one eye open. Don't you dare turn your back. She's a real straight shooter, yeah, she got it like that. She's a killer, and that's a fact. Whoa. She sent the kill shot through my heart. Oh, yeah, she's a cutie with no color blood. She's a stone cold killer in designer clothes. She sent the kill shot through my heart. She like the sea queen with no trace of blood. Oh, I guess that's what you get for falling in love. Through my heart. Oh, yeah, she's a cutie with no color blood. She's a stone cold killer in designer clothes. She sent the kill shot through my heart. She like the sea queen with no trace of blood. Oh, I guess that's what you get for falling in love.
And there you go, A Thin Line. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.